Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to add an admin to a Facebook group. So let's start the video. Log into your Facebook account and go to the group you manage. On the group page, click here, then tap on the Members tab. Scroll through the list of members or use the search bar to find the member you want to promote to an admin. Next to the member's name, click on the three dots to open more options. From the drop-down menu, click Invite as admin. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to send this person an invitation to become admin. Confirm by clicking Send Invitation. If she accepts the invitation, then she will be able to have admin privileges in the group. So there you have it. So that's how you can add an admin to a Facebook group. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.